Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lihle, and you can call me Lee because we're friends now. Today I'm making egusi. So this is all you're going to need when we're doing our egusi. And please bear with me, this is not from my tradition. This is from Nigeria. So this is all you're going to need. You're gonna need your egusi, you're gonna need your stockfish, and you're going to need the beef. This is the beef because if you're from South Africa, you're definitely going to know that one. You're gonna need a crayfish, your stock cubes, which is your no. You're gonna need your peri peri. This is peri peri. Don't mind the Herbalife tea you're seeing on outside. I used to drink Herbalife a lot, so I was like, the stuff is so expensive, so why would I throw away that without using the tax? So next time you see that, just know this is my peri peri inside there. Don't worry about it. And that is the other thing you're going to need is your leaves. I forgot what they call them, but they I don't know, vegetable, something like that. And your red oil. That's all you're going to need. And I'm going to wash my I'm going to wash my stockfish. The stockfish is kind of hard, so you need to just put it in your boiling water so it can become soft. There's also some scary stuff that is inside. I don't know the English name of it, but it's black. They used to be inside the stockfish. I don't know if it's when it's old or why, but there used to be something inside there. So when you put it on the hot boiling water, it just come out and the stockfish becomes soft. So it's easy for you to clean it thoroughly. So I just do that, and I'm not going to do it on camera. So I'm going to do it off camera. So now we're preparing to wash our stockfish. Also, you need to first cook your stockfish because it's very hard. Just cook it for some time so it can become soft. Then you can start cooking your soup and everything. Yeah.
Got me stuck from the hands and beat up. The mic's been crafted, I'm attracted ever since I came past it. Grabbing hits with action kept me laughing straight through the sadness. One up of hip-hop, one up of the high. Illustrating's got me dashing with the passion inside. Track of time lost, paralyzed with mystical vibes. Keeps you craving through the rain and in the pain with amazement. Strength giving, fingers twitching with affection, I praise it. Our connection everlasting when I hug you, it's on. Grab each other's hips, speaking while you're creeping, I'm seeing. I've been needing sexual healing while you're crafting for many. You've been with me, close your eyes, candle light with the mic. Converting lives with the passion, I've been feeling you right. And since you came on my sight, gave me pleasure through the struggle. You know that I love you.
Can be the principle. You can be too hot-headed, baby. And we seem to argue all the time. And they don't seem to understand, baby. I didn't mean
On the side, cook your meat, add onions, add 2 of your stock cube depending on how big your soup is. Let it simmer for about 8 minutes, because we don't want it to be soft, because that meat is still gonna cook with the stockfish, but you just need to boil it a bit. After 15 or 10 minutes, you add your crayfish, you add your peri peri. Now your egusi is almost done. You just wait for another 5 minutes, I guess, to now add your vegetable leaves. Can you see how beautiful that egusi look? Oh my goodness, look at it. Now it's time to add your last step. This is your last step. Just know your egusi is done and it's smelling amazing in the house. You add your vegetables. After 5 minutes, take your pot off the stove, because you are done. And also you need to taste, sorry I didn't say this, you need to taste if your salt and everything is fine before you eat egusi. That doesn't make sense. Now I made the curry off camera, and I don't like making curry because sometimes the curry itself, it differs. So sometimes you get the one that is watery, sometimes you get the nice one. So just let it make it off camera. Now this is what you called egusi. It looks good, it tastes good. Do you get what I'm saying? Now this is a moment of truth. Let me before I eat, I don't swallow this. You're supposed to. It doesn't sit well with me. I'm a South African. Mm-hmm. Exactly. 10/10 minus nothing. Hope you guys try it and tell me. I recommend it though. Hope you try it and give me a feedback on how it tastes and everything. Thank you for watching. If you have gotten to this round of the video, thank you so much. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Bye.